Beautiful like new construction, 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms on a huge lot. Welcome home to your open floor plan with granite kitchen countertops, stainless steel appliances, pantry, breakfast nook, upgraded 42 inches cabinets, 9 ceilings on the first floor and so much more. Privacy fence, hot tub, and both sheds are all ready for your enjoyment. Huge yard with 10x18 outbuilding, extended concrete pads, and an extended concrete pad on front of home with 30 amp RV breaker and additional outlets. Steel insulated garage door and seamless gutters.